Hello students, welcome back. Now we are going to discuss about regarding micro bending losses. Okay, micro bending losses. Already we discussed in previous classes regarding radiative losses, right? Radiative losses is also called as bending losses over there, right? Next, bending losses are of two types, right? So first one is of macro bending losses, second one is micro bending losses. So regarding macro bending losses we discussed in previous classes, right? And next, coming to this micro bending losses, okay, so here the micro bending losses are, it happens micro bends in optical fibers, okay. So micro bending is nothing but there will be some small bends will be there for optical fibers, so with that we will get the loss, okay. Hence the name is micro bending losses here, okay. As the name indicates that the optical fiber is having micro bends, means small bends over there, right? So because of that we will get the loss. So how we get the loss we'll see now, right? So in this micro bending losses, the loss is occurred from mode coupling, okay, is occurred from mode coupling caused by random micro bends, okay. It occurs from mode coupling caused by random micro bends. What is meant by mode coupling here? So the process of coupling the energy from one mode to other mode is known as mode coupling, okay. The process of coupling the energy from one mode to other is known as mode coupling. So due to the mode coupling, the average propagation delay becomes less, okay. The average propagation delay becomes less and intermodal distortion reduces, okay. Average propagation delay becomes less and intermodal distortion also reduces. Next, for long length fibers, okay, for long length fibers the effect of mode coupling on pulse distortion is very significant, okay, means very important here, okay. Mode coupling is nothing but the process of coupling the energy from one mode to other mode is known as mode coupling, okay. So just now I told you now, so these losses are results from mode coupling, okay, results from mode coupling caused by the random micro bends of the optical fiber, fine. So here the micro bends are the repetitive small scale fluctuations, okay. Micro bends are the repetitive small scale fluctuations in the radius of curvature of the fiber axis, okay. Micro bends are the small scale fluctuations over there, right, in the radius of curvature of the fiber axis. So you will be having fiber axis over there, right. So for the optical fiber you are having core, cladding, buffer coating, like that, right. So you will be having fiber axis also, right. So here the micro bends are repetitive small scale fluctuations, fine. So now if you see this figure, okay, so it is having optical fiber, right, and this optical fiber is having some bends over here, right. So these are called as micro bends, okay. So the optical fiber is micro bends. So because of this there is a power loss will be occurred, okay. Power loss from higher ordered modes, already it is indicated in figure, power loss from higher ordered modes, okay. So because of these micro bends we will get the loss over here, fine. And next one, here in this figure it is the power coupling to higher order modes. This figure is from power loss from higher order modes, and this figure is from power coupling to the higher order modes. So you can observe this power here, power coupling, right. So this one is fine. So this figure shows power coupling to higher order modes. The first figure is power loss from higher order modes, fine. So here the fluctuations, means micro bends fluctuations are there now, right. Those fluctuations are caused by either by non-uniformities in the manufacturing, okay. These fluctuations occurred because of non-uniformities in the manufacturing of the fiber or by non-uniform lateral presences, okay. So these fluctuations are caused by either by non-uniformities in the manufacturing or non-uniform lateral presences created during the cabling of the fiber. Okay, so whatever the fiber we are applying to the networks, right, that is called as the cabling. Okay, so that one is cabling here. Next, the lateral effect. The lateral effect is often called as cabling or packaging losses. The lateral effect is also called as cabling or packaging losses. And next, already you know about attenuation, right? So here the increase in attenuation, okay, an increase in attenuation results from micro bending. Okay, an increasing attenuation results from micro bending because the fiber curvature causes repetitive coupling of energy between the guided modes and the leaky modes in the fiber. Okay, an increase in the attenuation results from micro bending because the fiber curvature causes repetitive coupling of energy between the guided modes and the leaky modes in the fiber. So you are having the modes in optical fibers, right? So because of that, so the loss will be occurred because of these micro bends. Okay, same as the attenuation also increases here. Fine. So because of this micro bends. So to reduce these micro bending losses, right, to reduce these micro bending losses, we need to follow one method. Okay, one method of minimizing the micro bending losses, right, that is extending a compressible jacket over the fiber. Okay, by extending a compressible jacket over the fiber. So here the fiber is having three parts over here, right? So first one is core, next cladding, and then buffer coating. Okay, so here the buffer coating is also called as jacket here. Okay, buffer coating is also called as jacket, right? It acts like a cover. Okay, so the micro bending losses can be reduced by extending a compressible jacket over the fiber. Fine. So we can observe the extending compressible jacket for the optical fiber. So this figure shows the compressible jacket for the optical fiber. Okay, so whenever we apply an external force to the optical fiber, right, whenever we apply the external force to the optical fiber, this compressible jacket will protect the optical fiber. Okay, with this compressible jacket protect the optical fiber from external forces here, right? So means there will be no bends for the optical fiber here. Fine. It means that the fiber will tend to stay relatively straight here. Fine. Next, for a multi-mode gradient index fiber, already you know about gradient index fiber, right? So for a multi-mode fiber index gradient index fiber, right, it is having suppose core radius of A and outer radius is B, and the index difference, okay, index difference delta, then the micro bending losses, okay, the micro bending losses, that is alpha m of a jacketed fiber is reduced from the of unjacketed fiber by a factor. Okay, so once again I am repeating, for a multi-mode gradient index fiber having a radius, core radius of A, outer radius B, and index difference delta, then the micro bending losses alpha m of a jacketed fiber is reduced from that of unjacketed fiber by a factor that f of alpha m. Okay, f of alpha m equal to 1 plus pi delta square into b by a whole power 4 into ef by ej whole power minus 2. Okay, so here the ef and ej are the Young's-Modley jacket and fiber. Okay, ef, ej and ef are the Young's-Modley of the jacket and fiber respectively. Fine. So this one is the equation for the losses, micro bending losses factor, right? So that is equal to 1 plus pi delta square into b by a whole power 4 ef into ej whole power minus 2. Here the ej and ef are called as Young's-Modley jacket and fiber respectively. Fine. So that is regarding micro bending losses. So because of these micro bends in the optical fiber, right, there will be loss from these bends, right? So here the micro bending means nothing but a small fluctuations in the optical fiber, right? And that can be reduced by the compressible jacket for the optical fiber. Okay, compressible jacket for the optical fiber that will protect the optical fiber here. Fine. That is regarding micro bending losses. Okay, thank you all. Thank you.